Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. A little bit of spec information. The boat is actually 33.5 feet overall in length with the swim platforms, and is 10 feet 4 in the beam. The way we've equipped this boat power-wise is going to have the twin Mercury Verado 350 horsepower with the optional white paint, and this boat does have joystick docking. At the transom of the boat, you have a nice full-width bench seat with great back support and nice depth to it. Very comfortable seat. This will actually tuck flush up into the transom and open up your cockpit space. We have equipped this boat with the synthetic teak on the floor, so it gives it a great rich look without the maintenance. Both port and starboard sides, you do have a fish box in the floor. This boat is also equipped with the dive door for easy boarding. On the port side, you have a great big lounger. You do have storage underneath. And this is where your dive ladder is stored as well. This is a very easy seat to use and very versatile. You have multiple positions where you can lay both backrests down completely. Use it as a forward-facing lounger or an aft-facing lounger. This boat has a nice big hardtop, gives you great sun protection. At the back of the hardtop, you do have the retractable sunshade. On the starboard side, you have your summer kitchen area, which gives you the electric grill, your freshwater sink, live well, and a stainless steel refrigerator. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the full enclosure, so it extends your season, which is very nice. At the helm, you have the 16-inch Raymarine Axiom Hybrid Touch, the 7-inch Mercury Vessel View. It's got active trim, your Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator, a Raymarine VHF radio, controls for your remote spotlight. As I had mentioned earlier, this boat is equipped with the joystick piloting for ease of docking, and also is going to give you the skyhook feature. You have a nice single captain's chair at the helm, and this is set up with electric high-low. On the port side, you have a double-wide companion seat, also set up on an electric high-low, and this seat will rotate to give you opposing-facing seating with a table that sets up in the middle. On the port side, you have your berth option. And on the starboard side, underneath the helm, is your head space. Also enough room in there to use it as a changing station. Making our way up to the bow of the boat, you have two full-length loungers on the port and starboard sides with flip-down armrests. This boat's also equipped with the bow sunshade, and you do have storage underneath the loungers here. So that's a real quick look at our 2020 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. Stop by MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach to check out this one and the rest we have in stock.